Yeah.
1 month he was there. When we came home, we're so scared to release him in the garden because
Kasi he might do it again.
we tied him on a leash.
So have you seen what was the object?
They couldn't
No, they
determine
couldn't
it.
even find it. Like, parang when they operated on him, it was already
Stay.
disintegrated. But it looked like a ball, but like parang plastic talaga siya.
Okay, so here's what we can do about that.
First line of defense is to try to bite it.
Yeah, like defensive.
Yeah.
Reenact again the scenario,
Yeah.
but this time with control over him. So hopefully,
Okay.
so it has to be like similar.
So so like rewind and play, like
Rewind and play, but this
setting
time-
him up to fail talaga.
Exactly, but this time we have to make sure that we have full control over
Yeah.
it, like corrections, so he understands that okay, it's not gonna happen.
Kill.
There,
Kill.
good job.
Kill.
Good job. I like that. Instead of saying off, you actually told him na lang na, I don't care what you're actually doing, Niles. So I'm asking you to heal now.
Yeah.
So if you jump on people, you got corrected for not healing. So that's two options. It's either you mark that jumping or you give correction because he's not healing.
Yeah.
Okay, again.
Kill.
Oh, di ba? Yeah. Then remove it. Say sit.
Sit.
Good job. Yan. Just drop it at sa back mo lang. Yan. Then say heel.
Kill.
Good job. Yun na. Yan, sinabayan pa ni Hugo, mandid out. Kala ko mandid-distract pa si Hugo eh.
Very good.
O, di ba? How do you feel?
Ay, off.
Oh, good. Good job.
Very
Yan. And then, so yan yun. That's how you mark it actually. Okay.
Oh.
So, here's the thing. So, what you did kanina was good na. See how smart the dog is? If I open this, he knows I'm gonna open it. Okay. So, what we do about this, we're just adding up. Dadagdag tayo ng mga posible niya na yung upuluhin talaga natin siya.
Kill. Kill.
Yeah, good. Like that. Tapos, you stop in front of the gate, you make him sit. Be mindful din sa a little bit more.
Sit.
Good job. That's actually surrendering. And the reason why we're not marking, we're correcting na you're doing a down instead of sit. That's fine for now kasi he's trying his best to please you. That's why he's doing it down. That's a submission. So you're gonna stand here. Yeah. Okay. So mas marami yung heel.
Kill.
May make him sit. There, that's fine.
Sit.
Yan. You see how important that is, di ba? Yan. Good. Going there, straight lang na heel, then coming back, you do at least 2 auto sits.
Okay.
You stop and make him sit. Then again, straight doon, tapos going back 2 auto sits and we go in. Until you're satisfied, it's a good ha.
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Kill.
Good job, Niles. Make me proud, Niles. Good job. So now, question, do you feel that's your pace or his pace? Just to slow down, then press. Then, there. Diba? You have to make sure it's your pace.
Yeah.
Like that one. Say heel. Good. Then walk again.
Yeah.
Yeah, there. Then press it.
Kill.
There. There you go. Yun. I like that. That's perfect. That's that's what you want to
Sit.
to see, ha. Very good. Good job.
Kill.
Yun. Again, do it again.
Sit.
There. See, here's what's gonna happen. If the distraction is high sa labas, maybe yung aso will tend to focus on the distraction kasi parang it's gonna be too boring. You're not asking him so many things to do. Like, how do you do that? Di ba tingnan mo, when you stop, when you walk, heel, then sit.
Yeah.
He'll sit. Every time you do that, he's gonna think, oh, she's gonna call for a stop. She's gonna call for a sit. She's gonna say down, whatever. So, it's gonna keep him busy focusing on you.
Yeah.
So, that's just the secret to it.
Okay.
If you feel na parang masyado siyang maraming time, o tricycle, o motor, or security guard,
Heel.
or puno, it means
Heel.
maraming space na you're not asking him to do something.
Sit.
Yan. There you go. See? So you try now, this time. Compared to that one, when you go there,
Yeah.
do a couple of auto sits. And tas balik ka na when you go back. Tingnan mo, you check his heel if it's gonna be more detailed.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Heel. Heel.
Yeah. See, that's there you go. Good job.
Heel.
You see yung culprit natin, Okay, before going inside, you have two distractions. Si Ate Malu, and then the gate. He cannot go ahead of you. Tapos when you approach Ate Malu, he has to ignore. Okay, Ate Malu, okay lang. Lapit ka dyan. Gusto ko maano talaga sa sayo. Then you check on Niles. Yan.
Heel.
Good job. Good job. Sometimes you have to really exaggerate yung backing off mo. Yan. Make him sit between you and Ayan. He has to be between you and Ate Malu. Good. Good. Make him sit.
Sit.
There.
Sit. Sit.
Good. Then you go ahead.
Sit.
Good job.
Sit.
Good job. Very good.
Sit.
Good job.
Sit.
Good. You have to hold this one. Tapos, sit. Hawak mo siya. Pero the ones I have, merong button lang na parang sing-sing mo siya. Tapos,
So they don't see it.
So you don't see it. Tapos, ang nangyayari dyan, it's like this lang. Doon, hanggang doon sa dulo. Sa dulo. Make sure, pag naging masyadong parang hindi ka niya naiintindi, yung busy na siya sa ibang ibig sabihin, kulang ka sa hinihingi mo sa kanya. Until you get it right. Parang yung kanina what we did.
Yeah.
No, you cannot, but every time you encounter a, problem, reenact.
So that's what he means by like reenact it and just outsmart him.
Oo.
So that same scenario we do where Miguel walks in while Malu's training him. So he gets used to like not getting dazzled. Yeah.
Oo. So, ganun din. So, papracticein mo rin sa loob ng bahay, yung mga ganyang distraction.